Come on, Saeed, youngsters!
The great Saeed Ajmal to the attack. Wonderful venue for this competition as well. Northampton for the latter part of the tournament. One of the very early bowlers of the Dusra. Really hard to pick up, Saeed Ajmal, I think, and going back to the early to mid-90s when we first came across Saeed Ajmal. Just hadn't seen it before. Nicely done, nicely timed from Finch off the back foot.
Yeah, it was really tough for any batsman if you don't pick it out of the hand, try and figure out which way the ball is going. And from within the stumps to play that sort of shot, of course, Aaron Finch picked it up. Saqlain Mushtaq is somebody who used to bowl the Dusra as well. Early part of Muthiah Muralidharan's career, he never used to bowl the Dusra. And when he developed the Dusra, he became more lethal. And some of the Indian boys used to, if they never picked it out of his hand, they used to say, well, let's just try and pick the line. If it was anything outside the off stump, you know, it's the off spinner. Anything within the stumps, play for the other one, play for the Dusra. And once they decided, it was a different ball game for some of the Indian batsmen as well. And that was Virendra Sehwag who did that as well.
Yeah, Viru dealt to many a bowler though. wasn't just Muthiah Muralidharan. He picked on at different times. What a play he was. No bowling. That one has gone straight on. Not sure if it's the Dusra or whether it's just skidded on through the gate. But Pakistan champions have found their first wicket courtesy of Saeed Ajmal.
What a fantastic delivery. The pause in the action. A hint of turn. Yeah. Beaten by the outside edge and was looking to just shut the face. No shade too early. Ajmal once again picking up wickets as well. Happy man. They were looking to get that little partnership broken, and they've done that. Sean Marsh back at
Ben Dunk is the new batter for Australia, another left-hander. Really good from Saeed Ajmal. I thought it might have skidded on a touch, but it just held and turned, went past the outside edge. A nice start for Ben Dunk. Just the one, he will keep the strike. 8 gone, 70 for 1.